Alright guys, so got some carbon honey. And a cool little sticker that came with it. It's cool, I like that. Alright, so this is a relatively new Balisong. It's only 2 weeks. I've only been using it for 2 weeks. But let's put some lube on it. Okay, just to see the difference. And also just for future uses, but is there anything else? No, okay, just the bag. Okay, this is, oh, there's a metal ball in there. One sec. A metal ball, that's cool. This actually looks like honey. I'm not gonna eat it. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright, shake well. Oh, alright, should be good. I mean, yeah, this does actually look like honey. Okay, so let's put some on. Is it actually just a screw off? Or is it a safety lock? Come on. Alright, I need 2 hands for this. I'm putting you guys down. It is indeed a safety lock. Sorry, okay. Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There's a loud car outside. Alright. Nice nozzle. Okay, so for those of you who don't know how to apply it, you put a little dollop on top of each side of each pivot. So right above each screw. So there, 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 there. And then, okay, one second, I'm just gonna set this down on a flat surface. Okay. And then you open it, do the same thing. There, 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 there. Okay, one sec. Alright, one sec, y'all. Okay, where is it? One sec. Just grabbing a stand. Oh. Okay, let's see. Does this work? No, okay. Oh, you know what I can do? I can just use my pop socket. There we go. Good. Good. Okay. Ooh. Where's the carbon honey? Carbon honey. Okay, guys. So I'm switching sides. Okay, so this is how you put on lube usually. Just take it, you just dollop it right to there. Just a tiny little drop. There. And there. Same with the other side. There. And there. And then do the same thing on this side. There. 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 Oh, I should have gotten, you know what? I should have gotten paper towel ready. I don't have tissues. Okay. Alright. I'm pretty sure it already came with carbon honey on it, so I haven't really used it that much. Whoop, okay, of course that happened. Of course that happened. Alright. Just working it in. So yeah, just play with the Bally. Sorry, I was just testing. My hands are gonna get a bit oily. Okay, let's see. So it is pretty much all around. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this already did come pre-lubed with Carbon Honey, but it sounds good. Sounds slightly better than it used to. But barely. And yeah, this is the Carbon Honey thick. Graphene pivot lubricant. Let's see, yeah, thick. Damn, this is gonna be a long video. Why have I been talking so much? Okay. So yeah, I would say that the Carbon Honey is worth 20 Canadian. It was $30 with shipping because shipping only qualifies with orders over $135. But alright, that's like an ad. Definitely feels better. Only slightly though. But there we go. I've just been flipping and talking the whole video. Damn, okay. Alright, so yeah, I'll just wipe off the Bali. But yeah, Carbon Honey is definitely worth it. Definitely works. But yeah.